All of you clear the points of the metaphase first? Meeting of the chromosome at the center. Meeting of the chromosomes at the center, that we called this part. Okay, that we call congregation. This one we call a congregation. This process we call congregation. Right? Next term that you have to remember, in this metaphase, when all these chromosomes arrange at the center over here, that imaginary like plate like structure is formed, that we call equatorial plate. That we call the which one? Equatorial plate. कोई structure नहीं होता, just imagination ऐसा होता है when the cell in a metaphase, that plate we call equatorial plate, or else metaphase में ये होता है, so we call the metaphase plate. Either we call equatorial plate or we call metaphase plate. Clear? Next. After this, remember, see, three types of the spindle fibers are there. Three types of spindle fibers, three types of microtubule arrangement. In that, if you can make out over here, some of जी centriole के साथ ये spindle fibers हैं, they attach to the what? Chromosome, right? ये chromosome के साथ attach है. Now see this one, ये भी तो spindle fibers ही है, but over here they don't attach with the which one? Chromosome. They just pass from one pole to the another pole, right? Same over here. Now the third one, surrounding this centriole also, spindle that small fibers like structures are there surrounding the centriole on both the sides, right? So three types of the spindle fiber. One that form a star-like structure surrounding that centriole, right? So very short fibers are there that we call ester fiber. That we call ester spindle fiber. Next, those fibers, spindle fibers, they just run from one pole to the other without attachment with the chromosome. So that we call polar fibers. It runs from one pole to the another pole. So we call polar fibers. And the third one, those are attached, this black color one, right? Those are attached with the chromosome, that we call chromosomal fibers. So three types of the spindle fibers. Just surrounding the centriole we call ester. Run from one pole to the other we call polar fibers. And those fibers attached with the chromosome we call chromosomal fibers. All of you clear this point? Okay. Metaphase, in that remember, first, nuclear envelope completely disintegrate. That is the demarcation point of metaphase. Okay, now the metaphase begins. Second, so once the nuclear membrane completely disintegrates, so now chromosome come into which part? Cytoplasm, right? Next, chromosome condensation even complete over here. Next, spindle fibers are formed here. These spindle fibers attach to the, can anyone tell me, spindle fibers attach to the which part of the chromosome? Spindle fibers attach to the which part of the chromosome? बोलिए अर्पिता.
Kinetochore.
Correct. Kinetochore. Right? Spindle fibers attach to the kinetochore part of the chromosome. Next, so kinetochore, remember, This is a chromosome. At the center, centromere. Then next, on the sides of the centromere, proteinaceous disc-like structure is present. With that, this spindle fiber attached. So this disc we call kinetophore. Yeah. Next. Now the chromosomes, once it attached to the spindle fiber, chromosomes start moving towards the center, and all the chromosomes which are first spreaded in a spreaded form, okay, in cytoplasm, now all are reached at the center. And that process we call, can you tell me that process name? That phenomenon we call where all chromosomes meet at the center equatorial plate. Jia,
Congregation.
bolo, Jia.
Congregation.
Correct. Congregation. Okay, that we call the congregation. Next point, remember that metaphase plate or equatorial plate, right? The plane of the alignment of the chromosome at the center. Plane of the alignment of the chromosome at the center. This part we call equatorial plate or metaphase plate. बोलिए क्लियर है आपको मेटाफेज right? Now I am explaining two extra points which are required for NEET related to this metaphase. आपके पास एक सेल है. Okay, before that, one question. You know that in humans total 46 chromosomes are there, right? So when cell in a interphase, cell in a which phase? Interphase. तो आपको क्रोमोसोम जो है which are in a thread form, chromatin, right? इंटरफेस में तो लूज फॉर्म होते हैं. तो आपको ऐसे कितने थ्रेड दिखेंगे, 8 या 46? मैत्री 1 ऐसा. ओके. जिल, कीर्तन.
मैं क्वेश्चन फिर से रिपीट करो समझ.
ओके. In human 46 chromosomes are there in a cell. When cell in a interphase, so interphase में तो लूज नेटवर्क हो जाते हैं. 46 अगर कंडेंस फॉर्म में हो तो हम इजीली काउंट कर सकते हैं ऐसे, राइट? बट व्हेन इन अ कंडेंस लूज फॉर्म, सो ऐसे थ्रेड कितने होंगे इन इंटरफेस? 1 और 46? बोलो. कीर्तन.
हाँ मैम 1 ही होगा.
1. ओके. साक्षी.
मैम 1 होगा.
ओके. कैन एनीवन एक्सप्लेन मी कैसे आपने 1 लिया आंसर? बोलिए कीर्तन.
मैम वो थ्रेड मतलब एक ही होता है, बाद में वो कंडेंस प्रोफेस में वो कंडेंस हो जाता है और उसके बाद क्रोमोसोम ऐसा फॉर्म होता है.
हाँ, बट एक थ्रेड है सपोज, राइट? ओवर हियर
हाँ.
एक ही थ्रेड है, तो 1 थ्रेड व्हेन कंडेंस, सो इससे एक ही क्रोमोसोम फॉर्म हो सकता है. यस और नो?
यस.
अगर यहाँ पे दूसरा क्रोमोसोम, ये तो क्रोमोसोम्स आर free from each other, they are not united. All 46 chromosomes are not united. All 46 chromosomes, they are free from each other, right? So ये एक थ्रेड जो होता है तो ये इसमें कन्वर्ट हो गया. सेम वे सेकेंड थ्रेड का नेटवर्क होगा, वो किसमें कन्वर्ट हो जाएगा? सेकेंड क्रोमोसोम, राइट? सो जितने क्रोमोसोम्स होंगे उतने थ्रेड्स होंगे. जितने क्रोमोसोम्स उतने क्या होंगे? थ्रेड्स. रिमेंबर. बोलिए, आपको ये क्लियर हुआ ऑल ऑफ यू?
यस मैम.
किसी को भी डाउट है तो बोलो.
मैम मतलब इन शॉर्ट नंबर ऑफ क्रोमेटिन्स इज इक्वल्स टू नंबर ऑफ क्रोमोसोम्स.
यस यस, राइट. आपके पास अगर यू नो ना 1 लच्छी है, आपको अदर लच्छी आपके पास 10 लच्छी है, तो आप जब उसको स्प्रे लूज फॉर्म में करोगे तो आपके पास 10 थ्रेड हो जाएंगे, राइट? सिंपल. So first that this point, इंटरफेस, रिमेंबर, जितने क्रोमेटिन्स होंगे उतने ही आपको एट द एंड क्रोमोसोम्स मिलने वाले, और क्रोमोसोम्स होंगे उतने ही क्रोमेटिन, वाइस वर्सा. कीर्तन, एनी डाउट?
No,
Okay.
ma'am.
Second thing, remember in Liliaceae family, one of Liliaceae family, that one of the chemical name colchicine. आज ही टेस्ट था ना, लर्न किया होगा है ना. colchicine, colchicine derived from that colchicum autumnal plant, लिलिएसी फैमिली को बिलोंग करता है. आई टोल्ड यू, पता है कि सेल डिवीजन के टाइम पे मुझे याद करवाना. सो colchicine, what is the role of this chemical? Right, what is the role of this chemical? Colchicine, when cell cycle, okay, when cell division begins, and in laboratory, when we stop or erase the cell division at metaphase, then add this colchicine. In culture medium, when cells are there, in culture medium add this chemical. So chemical से क्या होगा? प्रोफेस तो कंप्लीट होगा, राइट? बट सेल अरेस्ट कहाँ पे हो जाएंगे? मेटाफेज में. सेल अरेस्ट एट द मेटाफेज. व्हाई? बिकॉज दिस colchicine that inhibit spindle fiber formation. Without spindle fiber formation, anaphase cannot happen. राइट? तो सेल कहाँ पे अरेस्ट हो जाएंगे? एट द मेटाफेज, बिकॉज इट इनहिबिट्स, रिमेंबर, spindle fiber formation. You know, spindle fibers are formed by microtubules, tubulin proteins, right? So tubulin 1, tubulin 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So इसे पॉलीमराइज जब होगा ना, तब वो फिलामेंटस फॉर्म में आ जाएगा, right? But just imagine, due to this colchicine, they are remain in a scattered form. 1, 2, tubulin proteins are there, but tubulin proteins, they are not unite to each other. If not unite, how the fiber is formed, right? This is the role of colchicine. Colchicine inhibits spindle fiber formation. Clear? And that feature helps in arrest the cell cycle at metaphase. Now, when we arrest the cell cycle at the metaphase, one thing is there, when if we want to count in a cell how many chromosomes are there, and which is the how many, that thing. One more thing is there, which is the shape of the chromosome, right? Number of chromosome, proper shape of the chromosome, everything. If we want to study, you know, in metaphase, complete condensation of chromosome occur. Completely condensed. जो shape final form होना था, that will be form over here. Further, no change in that. And here all the chromosomes arrange at the center, right? All the chromosomes arrange at the center. So due to these two features, one, that the shape becomes proper over here. So we can study the shape of the chromosome, whether it's a submetacentric, metacentric, telocentric, or ectocentric. Next, number of chromosome also we can easily count, because now all the chromosomes present at the center. अगर आपको ऐसा फॉर्मेट दे जो अर्ली है एक्चुअली, right, in which the here and there the chromosomes are spreaded, this will be the difficult one. But when the chromosomes are arranged at a one plate only, then easy to study the chromosome, easy to count the number of chromosome. बोलिए, क्लियर है आपको ये? That's why always if asked to study the chromosome, if you have given 4 options, prophase, meta, ana, telo, go with the which one? Metaphase. because in that complete condensation occur as well as all chromosomes arranged at the center, so we can easily count the number of chromosomes per cell. All of you clear metaphase? If you have any doubt, you can ask me now. Sorry, who will repeat the events of metaphase? Kirtan.
Ma'am, in the metaphase, the nuclear membrane first completely disintegrate. Then
Correct. Okay.
then the
Chalo, next.
chromosome get completely condensed.
Hmm.
Uh, then the chromosome which are spread throughout the cytoplasm will get attached to the spindle fibers from the central will attach to them at the nitochore and
Hmm.
will bring at the center which this process is known as congregation.
Hmm.
Uh, then the imaginary plate that is formed at the center is known as a metaphase plate or equatorial plate. And we to count the number of chromosome we can use means we can count it easily in the metaphase.
And what is the role of colchicine?
And colchicine inhibits the formation of the spindle fiber.
So cell arrest in the metaphase stage when division occurs, right?
Yes.
Now after metaphase, next phase that is the anaphase. Imagine कि ये metaphase है जहाँ पे spindle fibers attach हो गए with the chromosome, right? Now next thing, that next event, which is the demarcation event of anaphase. You know that two chromatids, but these two chromatids had only one centromere, yes or no? Two chromatids are held together with the help of one centromere. So when now division occur, one chromatids get separated, so centromere को split होना पड़ेगा. One centromere splits into two. So that is the first event of anaphase, splitting of centromere. Right? First event is which one? Splitting of centromere. Now next. So first that is splitting of centromere. And then spindle fibers. Here that's the one centriole. Next, spindle fibers get shortened. It gets the centromere and then their chromatids. Right? Structure like this, one splitting occur. Now, shortening of spindle fiber occur. Shortening of spindle fiber. See, easy to understand. You have to do what? Just join your both palm. So that is your equatorial plate, right? Where all the chromosomes are arranged. Now gradually, just imagine that the things now gradually separated out your both the palms. How can you separate? By folding the fingers. Okay, fingers fold हो रहे हैं आपके and folding the fingers that helps in over here that to separate this thing. Same way over here, that shortening of spindle fiber. First spindle fiber in metaphase that helps in what? To get all the chromosome or to arrange all the chromosomes at the center. Second, that which one? Now in this, just a second. Now in this anaphase, if you can make out, pata hai, imagine this is the first actually anaphase. Over here initially that metaphase is there, right? Metaphase, here their chromosome. Next, splitting of centromere occur and all this happen. Now all this chromosome, can you make out? They start moving away from the center. They start moving away from the center, and this is the one pole side, this is another pole side, right? And यहाँ पे ये separation हो जाएगा. So respective chromatid, the chromatid move towards that respective pole. This chromatid move in this direction, this chromatid move in this direction. So chromatids start moving towards their respective pole with the help of this spindle fiber. Spindle fibers, just imagine over here, gradually their length gets shortened. First itna, then short, 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 like that. And at the end, when you see, structure look like this, right? Next point that you have to remember, whenever during anaphase, shortening of spindle fiber occur, and this chromatid, see, now we call single, it's actually chromatid is there. Okay, initial structure like this, but when splitting occur, now these sister chromatids are separated. Sister chromatids are separated with their own centromere. Next, now they are moving towards the respective pole by shortening of the spindle fiber gradually. Microtubules, it's a spindle fiber form हुआ था, that shows dissociation. That all, suppose this is a tubulin protein, जिससे microtubules form होता है, which helps in the spindle fiber formation. Gradually, this tubulin protein that dissociate from that fiber, and their length decreases. And this thing helps in to get the equal number of chromosome or chromatids over here move into to their respective poles. So anaphase first event, remember, during metaphase, all chromosomes arrange at the equatorial plate. Next, once they are arranged, now the anaphase begins. Anaphase first event, splitting of centromere. Second event, shortening of spindle fiber. And this thing helps in to equally distribute all that chromosomes into two daughter cells. देखो, equally distribute हो गए, 4 here, 4 this side. Right? One more thing that you have to learn, while migrating towards that respective pole, always remember, first their centromere move, and with that this chromatid move. Structure like this, you have to make like this. आप ऐसे बनाओगे ना structure, कि यहाँ पे chromatids बना रहे हो, like this, इसको attach कर दिया ऐसे कहीं पे भी, no, wrong. You have, suppose like this, sorry, आप अगर ऐसे structure बना रहे हो, which is wrong. First centromere with that two chromatids and that move. ऐसे ही structure आना चाहिए in this shape only. Right? So while migrating towards the pole, centromere lead and arms trail behind. Centromere lead and arms trail behind. Centromere के साथ ये chromatids जो है move करेंगे. Right? Now next. Okay, first of all of you, enough is clear. Now, once this type of separation gets over, shortening of spindle fiber occurs and all chromosomes that reach to that respective pole. Next step is what? Now, if you can make out over here, this is the telophase, right? Remember this membrane, This is the nuclear. In telophase simply I can say that exactly opposite होता है प्रोफेज का. प्रोफेज में जो disappear हुआ, disintegrate हुआ ना, everything is reformed over here in telophase. So surrounding this chromosome, right, nuclear envelope formation start. See, right, on both the respective poles surrounding that chromosome, nuclear envelope formation start. Now next, second thing is what? Spindle fibers. Okay, spindle fiber disappearing process start. Because यहाँ से shortening होना start हो गया था in anaphase. Completely disappear कहाँ पे हो जाता है? Into the telophase. Spindle fiber disappear, but nuclear envelope reappear. Same way. Okay, यहाँ पे gradually Golgi, ER, this all things start reform. जो प्रोपेज में disappear हो गए थे, over here they are reformed, right? And in telophase, once this thing chromosome separated out, nuclear envelope formation begins. In telophase itself, this chromosome again convert into which one? Their chromatin form network like. Again start it convert into which one? Chromatin form. Right? So if you can understand, chromatin, first chromatin form था इंटरफेज में, फिर प्रोफेज, मेटाफेज, एनाफेज तक कौन सा फॉर्म हो गया? कंडेंसेशन फॉर्म, कंडेंस फॉर्म, दैट वी कॉल क्रोमोसोम. अगेन टीलोफेज में वो क्या हो जाता है? क्रोमेटिन, राइट? सो जस्ट फॉर टू इक्वली सेपरेट आउट the chromosome, it undergo condensation. When separation is over, again convert into which form? Chromatin, network like thread like structure, right? So in telophase separations तो हो गया of that chromosome. So again it converts into which form? Chromatin. So here I can say that opposite term, that decondensation of chromosome. Decondensation of chromosome means imagine के जो लच्छी आपको अभी open करना है, so it convert into thread, right? Chromosome undergoing decondensation, so convert into chromatin. Nuclear envelope formation start. Next, जैसे जैसे chromatin form होगा, nucleolus formation begin, Golgi formation occur, ER formation occur. All things are reformed, which are disappear during the prophase. Clear? Telophase, simple है telophase. बोलिए, आपको इतना लर्न हुआ? Telophase, can anyone explain me? Telophase, events of telophase. Sakshi.
Ma'am, spindle fiber disappearing starts. Nuclear envelope starts terminating.
Reform.
All Golgi apparatus, ER all starts reform, and from chromosome it forms into chromatin form.
Yes. So
Loose thread-like structures.
Yes, correct. Decondensation of chromosome start. Right? बोलिए. Clear है आपको up to here? Prophase, metaphase, anaphase, telophase. Next thing is what? ये तो nuclear division हुआ, right? Nuclear division, then cytoplasm division start. Once karyokinesis occur, nuclear division, and that is followed by the which one? Cytokinesis. So cytokinesis meaning cytoplasm division. So can you make out over here that in anaphase, देखो cell shape like this. फिर एनाफेज में थोड़ा कंस्ट्रिक्ट हो जाता है, राइट. एंड फ्रॉम दिस पॉइंट cytoplasmic division occur and two daughter cells are formed. बोलिए, समझ में आया आपको? Now these two daughter cell, can you tell me in which stage? They are in which stage? हम माइटोसिस कर रहे हैं, so they are in which stage? Prophase, metaphase, anaphase, telophase, which one? Gia,
मैम प्रोफेस.
wrong. Maitri,
Interface.
correct. Interphase. Kirtan, okay, interphase, that's the correct one. Remember last time we have learned sequence G1 S G2 M. M के जो डॉटर सेल्स होते हैं वो फर्स्ट कौन से फेज में जाएंगे? इंटरफेस. इंटरफेस का भी विच वन? G1 S G2M. तो ये तो एंड प्रोडक्ट्स है of this mitosis cell division. Two daughter cells are there, right? So they are in which phase? Remember, interphase, right? बोलिए, क्लियर है आपको? किसी को भी डाउट है
Yes.
तो बोलो. अगेन देन प्रोफेज, मेटाफेज, एनाफेज, G1 S G2 जैसे कंप्लीट होगा वो प्रोफेज, मेटाफेज, एना एंड टेलोफेज कंप्लीट करें, राइट. शो यू वन पिक, समराइज फॉर्म. देखिए एग्जैक्टली होता क्या है. प्रोफेज, right? Over here, see centriole movement start. Centriole start moving towards the respective pole. Next, chromosome condensation begins. Right? Here still thin. Just a second. In prophase, that's compare that prophase and metaphase. In metaphase, the thick, complete condensed chromosome is there. Whereas in prophase, thin, still thread-like structure are present, right? That's why I told you in metaphase, complete condensation of chromosome. Prophase, see if you can make out over here, this nuclear envelope start disintegrate. Same way, इसमें nucleolus disappear होगा, ER, Golgi, everything disappear, right? Next, metaphase, in that complete disintegration of nuclear envelope. See, जो nuclear envelope, if you can make out in this prophase, that thing totally absent in case of metaphase. So now the chromosomes come to the cytoplasm region and spread into cytoplasm. Then next, this chromosome, okay, over here spindle fibers are there, they attach with the chromosome and allow that chromosome come to the center. अभी center से just see this in third picture, that splitting of centromere occur and one chromatid of that chromosome is separated out, right? And they move towards the respective pole with that shortening of spindle fiber. Then for that, once it reach to that opposite pole, respective pole, again surrounding that chromosome material, nuclear envelope reform, nucleolus reform, spindle fiber disappearing process start, right? And chromosome again convert into which form? Chromatin. All of you clear? All four stages, prophase, meta, ana, telo. अर्पिता, आयुषी, जील, शुभ, क्लियर है आपको?
मैम.
Yes, ma'am.
बोलो जील.
मैम अब मेरी वॉइस आ रही है अभी?
हाँ हाँ आ रही है.
वो क्या वो बाहर बनाने आए ना थोड़ा नेट
हाँ
का,
कोई बात नहीं, कोई बात नहीं.
तो नेट
ओके,
चला गया है कब से, तो अभी आया अच्छे से.
हाँ ठीक है ना. चलो,
हाँ.
प्रोफेज, मेटा, एना एंड टेलोफेज, 4 phases are there, right?
मैम
बोलो शुभ.
मैं एक बार शॉर्ट में समझा सकते हो वापस?
चले. prophase, right? First, understand the cell at the which phase in a thread network-like form. This is the nuclear envelope, right? Cell in a interphase. Interphase meaning G1 as G2. Now, once it complete the interphase, enter into mitosis. Mitosis first stage we call prophase. Prophase के events क्या है? First, centriole. Okay, if you remember, centriole. Okay, चलिए आप में से ही कोई बोलेगा तो it's better one. One kind of revision भी हो जाएगा. Ayushi, can you tell me events of prophase? All. Start. Ayushi, वीडियो हैंग हो गया. जिया.
Ma'am, in prophase, firstly the
डायग्राम को देख और बोलना है.
मैम
सिंपल. स्टार्ट.
क्रोमेटिन जो है वो क्रोमोसोम्स में कन्वर्ट हो जाएगा, मींस ड्यू टू द
That we
प्रोसेस
call
ऑफ
condensation.
कंडेंसेशन.
हाँ. Next.
फिर centrioles start moving from each other in the different, means in the opposite poles.
Yes, correct. Third.
Then in between the centrioles, spindle fibers will be formed.
Yes.
Mitotic,
Next.
Mitotic spindle.
Yes,
formed.
mitotic spindle fiber. Next.
Then nuclear membrane starts disintegrating, and nucleolus disappears.
Okay. Next. Yeah. One more. Nucleolus, nuclear envelope. Which things are still disappear?
Ma'am, nucleolus will disappear, and nuclear
Then
membrane.
ER and Golgi.
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
Okay, they also disappear. Right? Chaliye. Metaphase. Who will explain metaphase? Sakshi.
Ma'am, in metaphase, nucleus and nuclear envelopes completely disappeared. Then centrioles.
न्यूक्लियोलस तो हो जाता है. देखो न्यूक्लियोलस तो है ना, प्रोफेज में ही हो जाता है. But nuclear envelope completely disintegrate, disappear in metaphase. Right? Bolo. Next.
Next, ma'am, condensation of chromosome completely ends here.
Okay.
Ma'am, then spindle fibers is attached to the kinetochore, and the chromosome arrange the spindle fiber arrange the position of chromosome in the center.
Correct. That we call congregation.
Congregation.
कांग्रेस ही आता है ना, कांग्रेस, भाजपा, कांग्रेस, इससे याद रखो. कांग्रेशन.
Congregation.
Correct. Then at the center.
At the center, the plane of alignment is called equatorial plane or metaphase plate.
Yes, correct. Good. Chaliye, who will explain anaphase? Where is the anaphase? Kirtan.
Yes, ma'am. In anaphase, the chromosome will divide from the centromere, which centromere will divide into two parts. Then the
क्रोमोसोम डिवाइड ऐसे नहीं. आपको लिसन, ये पॉइंट बोलना है. सेंट्रोमियर्स